Advanced Find is a powerful way to find and display any data you are looking for in Dynamics 365 CE. It is useful for creating queries, establishing filters, adjusting columns, and exporting data into Excel. Hello, my name is Andrea Klubgia, and I am a solution specialist with Encore Business Solutions. First, let's look at how to know whether we are using the modern Advanced Find. The new Advanced Find started rolling out in the 2022 Release Wave 1, but requires some additional steps to be activated. I will demonstrate what those are later in the video. If there is a filtered icon in the top right corner of your screen, you are using the classic Advanced Find. When looking at this view right here, if you do not have this filter button near the top right, you are using the modern Advanced Find. First, let's look at how to use the classic Advanced Find. I'll select this icon and a new window will appear. The first thing I'll do is set the look for table to whatever I want to report on. Once the look for is set, I will need to determine the view that I'll use for the base filtering. I can either choose to use a new blank view that has no filter criteria, or I can select from this list of dropdowns and select a view that already has the criteria set. Now, this is a great option if you want to build off an existing view and not start from scratch. Now I will select my criteria. An item to note is if you add additional filters, Advanced Find will treat them as AND scenarios, meaning both of these criteria options must be met. I can select the rows and group as OR if I do not want to use this logic. Next, I will edit columns to add and adjust the sorting of my columns. I'll select Add Columns. I can use the table that I have selected, or I can use any columns from related tables. I can also set where I want this column to be displayed. Once completed, I will click on the red exclamation mark to show me my results. Now that I have my results displayed, I can either use it for reference and click within a record. I can create a new record. I'd be able to bulk edit if I had more records displayed. I can export to an Excel file, or I can click back on the Advanced Find tab and select Save As to create a new personal view. Now let's look at how to use modern Advanced Find. The modern Advanced Find still allows for the same basic functionality, but it is accessed differently. To activate our Advanced Find, we will go to the Power Platform Admin Center and click within our environment. From here, I'll select Settings, and under Product, select Features. Now it's important to note that I need my Dataverse search to be turned on. And then once I scroll down here, I have my Advanced Find options, and I'll turn on my Modern Advanced Find in Model-Driven Apps. Once I'm done, I'll click Save. Now, it is important to note that this may take a few moments in order for our changes to take effect. Now that I refreshed, as you can see, That filter icon is no longer in the top right corner, but instead what I have is the search bar. From here, I will select my search, and I'll search for rows in a table using advanced filters. Once my pop-up appears, I will search all the tables, and I'll select cases. As you can see here, I have my active cases, but I am able to add additional filtering just like I was doing in the classic advanced find. Once I select apply, a view will appear with records that fit my filter criteria. I can tell this is my filtered criteria by this asterisk on the view name. To save my advanced find, I will select the dropdown next to the view name, and I can either save it as a new view. I even have the option to edit and manage any existing views. I'm able to achieve the same functionality that I had within the basic advanced find, such as exporting to Excel. I can create a new case. And again, if I had multiple records, I could bulk select them and edit. Now let's talk about the limitations of modern advanced find. Some limitations are that schema names are no longer visible when selecting columns to add, as well as downloading Fetch XML is not present. Now there are workarounds to still achieve this by using the XRM toolbox to attain the Fetch XML. For any questions regarding Advanced Find or other aspects of Dynamics 365, please visit our webpage to contact us.